Hey everybody, it's Wednesday. You know what that means? It's time for bike repair class. So that's where I'm heading right now. And I'm at the school a little bit early. I didn't think I was that early. Like 10 minutes early. And I'm like here with 3 other people. We're in a different room today. Yeah. I guess I said I was going to go over what we learned in the first class. Honestly, I feel like I didn't really learn that much stuff, but here's some notes about that I took. I don't know. Whenever you drew a diagram, I copied it. And just some general stuff to know. Like in the neighborhood, there's some good bike resources. And then today we talked about helmets again, something that he talked about last weekend, or last week. And yeah, and then we started talking about freewheels and cassettes for some reason. I don't know, it kind of seemed kind of disjointed, but eventually we went over things to check on a bike when you're diagnosing it or whatever. So yeah, first break, walked around, couldn't find a washroom. And then I'm just hanging out waiting for us to put our bikes in the stands. And yeah, for whatever reason he's like, we should put your bike in the stand first. So we did. And yeah, I went over and looked at it, and he said some things, and I don't know, probably a bad summary, but I don't know, it was an alright class. But at the same time, spent the first 2 hours pretty much talking about the same stuff that we talked about last week. And maybe that's because someone who wasn't there last week was there today. But I don't know. The last hour was pretty good, I guess. Anyways, I'm at Freshco now, and I'm buying a bunch of junk food. Yeah, I got that sugar candy, potato chips. Oh yeah. And that's because going on a road trip tomorrow. So instead of buying all this in America or at a Walmart or whatever, just pick it up now, because probably gonna buy that shit anyways. Yeah, got my bags packed, pretty much ready to go right now. Probably have a little bit of cleaning left to do, but yeah, I won't put that in the episode. But yeah, also plucked my eyebrows. That's right, folks. Secrets revealed. These eyebrows ain't natural. You know, because all the selfies we're going to be taking on this road trip. Alright, thanks for watching. Peace out.